What does it really take to become a thought leader? Is it just about having a large following, or is there more to it? Today, I'll break down the truth about building your authority and influence and share simple steps to become a trusted voice in your industry. Hey, I'm Fatha Khan and I help coaches, consultants and mid-career professionals to build their authority and impact. And in this video, you will discover the key ingredients that help regular professionals transform into recognized thought leaders. And if that's your goal, hit subscribe and like buttons so that you don't miss any future insights. Now, what is a thought leader, or who actually is a thought leader? Let's clear up the myth. Thought leadership isn't about fame or fancy titles. It is about sharing ideas that inspire and challenge others, consistently providing value to a specific audience, shaping the way other people think in your field. Example, think of people like Simon Sinek or Grant Cardone or Dale Carnegie. They became thought leaders by sharing meaningful, original ideas over time. Now, step number one, own your niche. You can't influence everyone, but you can deeply impact a focused audience. Ask yourself, what problem do I want to solve? Who do I want to help? And define your niche in just one sentence. Example, I help coaches to actually communicate and grow in their industry or build their authority influence. Step number two, create consistently. Thought leaders don't create content that educate. They don't just create content randomly. They create consistent content. They create content that educates, inspires, or even challenges the thinking. And they do it consistently through blogs, LinkedIn posts, articles, videos, podcasts, and books. And don't aim for perfection, because when you aim for perfection, you will never get started. Aim for progress. Start sharing today, even if it is an imperfect content. Example, write a short LinkedIn post once a week. Start to talk on your topic. That's how leaders are built. And step number three, build and nurture your community. Influence grows with relationship. Thought leaders engage with their community. They respond to comments, they collaborate and support others. Like, join the group, comment on other posts, and also host small discussions or webinars so that you are visible and approachable. And step number four, keep learning, keep evolving. The best thought leaders stay students of their field. They read, network, attend events, and even refine their ideas. And block your time each week to study the trends, the new research, or even connect with other experts. True thought leadership is about service. The more value you deliver without expecting immediate returns, the more your influence keeps growing. Ask this before you post. Is it helping someone, or it's just about me? Every post you do, ask this question to yourself. Becoming a thought leader doesn't happen overnight, but if you define your niche, share consistently, engage with your community, and keep learning, you will become a thought leader and you will be able to build influence over time. Comment below, what is that one action you will take this week to build your influence? And also check the description for my free thought leadership guide and also the masterclass invite to become a thought leader and an influencer in your field. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Thank you so much. See you again next time.